Over the last few days, Kentucky has been blanketed in snow and ice. The quietness that surrounds us, although peaceful, forces us to stop moving, if only for a season. I look out the window and I see that the wildlife that surrounds our homestead is still abundant. I see large deer tracks and other animals that pass by. I enjoy bird watching from the warmth of our home. I love to watch the cardinals and the other birds that never leave us, grateful for the seed we leave out for them.
In the wintertime, we don't do a lot of gardening on the homestead, but there's plenty of snow and ice that needs to be removed, and lots of mouths that still need to be fed. I did make it into work, but they sent me home. So the company is closing down everything in Kentucky. So the other offices are all closed. And even though my property was cleared and I could work just fine, they sent me home anyway. So I'm taking advantage of it, doing exactly what I used to do as a kid. Whenever there was a snow day, that's when I would go exploring in the woods. So I'm doing that again today. I take a walk down and find out what the conditions down at the lake were like. Well, I've been busy working on the remodel. My inflow for the lake has silted in. All of this has got to be dug out and removed. There is a lot of sediment in here. It really shows out good right now. As you can see, we've got plenty of water flowing into the lake. It just doesn't have easy access right now. So it's kind of bubbling out here like a spring.
Deep in the forest garden, the only sound you can hear is the water gently washing over the rocks as it winds through our picturesque mountain holler.
This amazing natural resource runs the entire length of the Return Homestead. It wears many faces throughout the year, sometimes scary and destructive, but here in the winter, it's calm and quite beautiful. The snow helps us by taking away distractions. There's so much less we can pay attention to today. Returning to labor is out of the question. So instead we're forced to return to life. Take a few minutes to appreciate the beauty of where we live.